Happy Tuesday. NASDAQ is up $87 and climbing. Currently floating around 29,824. Let's check out the news for today. We have ADP employment change at 8:15. New York Fed bill purchase at 9:20. Existing home sales at 10 o'clock. Other than those primary news that I mentioned, those are the only one that I value, and that will move the market. All right, since we are on the day, yesterday was a bearish candle. Today is indecision. We're slightly up. Let's go ahead and drop down to the 1 hour. See what really happened during the Asian session. Oh, by the way, let me turn on the levels. All right, so Asia session, we open here, we fell below, we bounce back up, stay above the VWAP. We climb back up to our 29,836 level. We just had a nice rejection on the 7 o'clock candle. We went all the way up to the day level yesterday at 29,875, reject hard, and looks like we're gonna come back down to visit the VWAP. So let's go ahead and before we continue, what we need to go ahead and do is draw back on the day, draw the levels for the day. So yesterday's high, boom, and yesterday's low, and boom. The close is gonna be basically the same where it's at. So let's drop back to the 1 hour. Okay, boom. All right. Remember yesterday when I said when it breaks the trend line, get puts? Beautiful play. All right. So now we're going to drop that down to the 5 minute. So that way you can see where's price. Okay. So keep in mind, we are creating higher highs and also lower highs. What does that mean? Price is going higher than the previous low. And to help you even see that even cleaner, we're going to get an array. Boom, boom, boom. I don't like that one. Delete. Boom, boom, boom. Right there. All right. So prices of our VWAP. We're coming down. We did a nice rejection off the weak candle. So looking forward to possible retest and come visit the actual VWAP. So by the time 9:30 comes, I expect price to go ahead and continue down, break past the VWAP, and potentially bounce off our trend line. Now, if we decide to, hey, we have enough volume for those 8:15 news, we're going to climb above 29,836 and rally back up to the pre-market high. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, tap in at CIY@capital.com. Have an amazing trading day.